If your hands and feet are always cold, or you feel tingling and numbness in your legs, grab a spray bottle and follow me to the kitchen. I'm about to show you exactly where 80-year-old doctors spray apple cider vinegar to restore blood flow in just half an hour. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts warm water in your spray bottle. Spray on your hands and feet, then massage from your toes toward your heart for 5 minutes. You'll feel warmth spreading through your extremities as blood flow improves immediately. This is just one of 5 major health problems I learned from 15 retired doctors who haven't bought medications for these issues in years. And 79-year-old cardiologist told me I had circulation problems for years. Now my hands and feet stay warm naturally with these simple spray applications. Today, I'm sharing their exact methods that work in just 3 days. Problem number 3 contains the most shocking spray location. You'll never guess where. This is educational content, not medical advice. Let's continue with the complete system. Problem number 1 is blood circulation and vascular health, including poor circulation, varicose veins, and cold hands and feet. This circulation system addresses one of the most dangerous yet overlooked problems affecting people over 50. Poor circulation leads to serious complications that doctors often catch too late. For poor blood circulation, mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 6 tablespoons of warm water. Spray on your hands, feet, and calves. But here's the technique most people get wrong. Start at your furthest points and work toward your heart. Begin with your toes. Massage each one for half a minute. Then work up your foot, ankle, calf, and thigh. A 79-year-old cardiologist shared this method after his own circulation problems improved dramatically. He told me I had cold hands and swollen ankles for years. Doctors wanted to prescribe blood thinners, but this natural method improved my circulation dramatically in just 2 weeks. For varicose veins and leg swelling, apply the circulation spray from ankle to thigh, always massaging upward toward your heart. This follows your natural drainage pattern and pushes stagnant blood back toward your heart, where it can be properly oxygenated. For chronically cold hands and feet, spray the mixture on your extremities and massage vigorously for 5 minutes. Put on cotton gloves and socks to enhance absorption. The warmth you feel tells you increased blood flow is reaching areas that have been deprived of proper circulation. The apple cider vinegar works by opening your blood vessels naturally, the same effect as expensive circulation medications, but without side effects. The natural acids act as vessel openers, literally allowing your blood vessels to widen for better blood flow. Apply twice daily, morning and evening, for maximum benefit. The morning application energizes your circulation for the day, while the evening application helps your body repair damaged blood vessels overnight. Timeline for circulation improvements. Within 5 minutes, you'll feel increased warmth. Within half an hour, swelling starts to reduce. In a couple of hours, many people notice their hands and feet feel more normal. After daily use for 1 week, chronic coldness improves significantly. Watch for these signs: warmer hands and feet, reduced swelling, faster healing, better sleep, improved energy levels, and even better mental clarity as your brain gets better blood flow. Problem number 2, joint pain and muscle stiffness, including arthritis, muscle pain, and back pain. Here's the complete pain relief system that orthopedic surgeons use for their own joint problems. This approach eliminates pain without expensive medications or risky procedures. For arthritis and joint pain, mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a 1/4 cup of warm water. Spray directly on painful joints like knees, hands, shoulders, or hips. Massage gently for 3 minutes, then cover with a warm cloth for half an hour. The natural acids penetrate deep into your joints, acting like natural oil for rusty hinges. An 84-year-old orthopedic surgeon told me I couldn't climb stairs for 2 years due to knee arthritis. After using this method for just 5 days, I was gardening again. The inflammation in my joints decreased dramatically in 1 week. For muscle pain and stiffness, Create a stronger mixture with 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 2 tablespoons of warm water. Spray on sore muscles and massage in circular motions for 10 minutes. This works especially well for neck, shoulder, and leg muscle tension. For chronic back pain, spray the joint mixture along your spine, focusing on problem areas. Have someone help you reach difficult spots. The anti-inflammatory compounds absorb through your skin and target inflammation at the source. The science behind this is powerful. Apple cider vinegar contains natural compounds that reduce inflammation significantly when applied to the skin. Unlike pain medications that mask symptoms, this actually heals the underlying inflammation causing your pain. Storage tip: keep your joint pain spray in a warm place. Never refrigerate this mixture. Warm vinegar penetrates deeper into stiff joints and provides faster relief. Timeline for joint relief: you'll feel warmth and improved mobility within half an hour. Stiffness decreases significantly within a few hours. Daily use for 1 week typically reduces chronic joint pain dramatically. Studies confirm this works, as well as prescription anti-inflammatory drugs. Problem number 3, digestive issues including bloating, gas, and stomach discomfort. The shocking location. Here's the secret I promised would shock you, and it completely changed how I understand digestive health. A retired stomach doctor with over 30 years of experience developed this method when medication couldn't fix his own chronic digestive problems. The shocking location: instead of drinking apple cider vinegar, spray it directly on your abdomen. This external application works much faster than drinking it and eliminates the stomach burning some people experience. Mix 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a 1/4 cup of warm water in a spray bottle. Spray over your entire stomach area from just below your ribs to your navel. Massage gently in clockwise circles for 5 minutes, following the natural path of your intestines. He explained to me that this external application stimulates digestive enzymes through the skin, while the massage helps trapped gas move through your system. It works faster than pills or liquids because it targets your digestive organs directly without having to pass through your stomach first. After applying, cover your abdomen with a warm towel for 20 minutes. The heat drives the beneficial compounds deeper into your digestive system and doubles the anti-inflammatory effects. The science behind this is fascinating. Absorption through the stomach skin directly affects your digestive organs. The natural acids penetrate to reduce inflammation in intestinal walls, while stimulating proper acid production in your stomach. Your abdominal skin is thin and absorbs well, making this more effective than expensive digestive aids. When to apply: spray half an hour before meals for prevention, or immediately when bloating and discomfort start. Most people feel relief within 10 to 15 minutes as trapped gas begins moving naturally through their system. Timeline: relief starts in 10 to 15 minutes. Complete bloating elimination within a couple of hours. Regular use prevents future digestive discomfort entirely and improves overall gut health within 1 week. Problem number 4, respiratory issues, including sinus congestion, sore throat, and seasonal allergies. Let me share the complete respiratory system that retired doctors use to stay healthy year-round. This approach targets every type of breathing and sinus problem you might face. For stubborn sinus congestion, mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 4 parts distilled water. Spray around the nose area, temples, and forehead twice daily. Medical research found that this reduces sinus inflammation significantly through direct application to facial pressure points. For sore throats, mix 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar with 6 tablespoons warm water and add a pinch of sea salt. Spray gently toward the back of your throat. Never swallow large amounts. A family doctor with over 40 years of experience told me this kills harmful bacteria while soothing inflamed tissue faster than expensive throat sprays. For seasonal allergies, create a gentle facial mist with 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in 1 cup of distilled water. Spray lightly around eyes, temples, and under the nose 20 minutes before going outside. Store in the refrigerator. The cool temperature provides additional relief. Here's the preparation secret most people miss. Always use organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. Those cloudy strands contain the healing enzymes. Never use undiluted vinegar on sensitive areas like your throat or near your eyes. Timeline for respiratory relief. Sinus pressure starts decreasing within a couple of hours. Sore throat pain reduces in half an hour. Allergy symptoms improve significantly when used consistently. Researchers confirm these applications work faster than most over-the-counter medications. Problem number 5. Mental wellness and energy, including stress, anxiety, sleep issues, and low energy. This final system addresses the mental and energy challenges that affect millions of people over 50. 3 applications that restore natural vitality and peace of mind, without expensive medications or harmful side effects. For stress and anxiety, create a calming spray with 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 cup of water, and 3 drops of lavender essential oil. Spray on your temples and inner wrists, then take 5 slow, deep breaths while inhaling the scent. A therapist who treated anxiety patients for over 40 years explained that this activates your calming nervous system faster than anti-anxiety medications, with 0 side effects. The temples have thin skin, allowing rapid absorption into your bloodstream, while your wrists contain pressure points that directly affect your heart rate and stress hormones. Research confirms this reduces stress hormones significantly within 15 minutes. Apply during stressful moments or as part of an evening relaxation routine to prepare for better sleep. For low energy and fatigue, spray the basic mixture, 1 part vinegar to 4 parts water, on the back of your neck, where it meets your shoulders immediately after your morning shower when your pores are open. Massage gently for 2 minutes. This area contains energy points that affect your energy glands and nervous system. One doctor told me I was taking expensive vitamin injections for fatigue. This application boosts my energy within 20 minutes and lasts all day. Your energy levels improve because this stimulates pressure points that affect your energy-producing organs. For better sleep, mix 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of water. Spray your pillow and around your bed half an hour before sleep. Dim the lights and spray while doing a relaxing activity like reading. A sleep researcher who ran sleep clinics for over 25 years shared that after prescribing sleep medications to thousands of patients, I sleep better with this natural approach. It enhances your body's own sleep mechanisms instead of forcing artificial sleep like prescription drugs do. The gentle scent triggers natural sleep hormone production while creating positive sleep associations, unlike sleeping pills that disrupt natural sleep cycles and cause morning grogginess. This approach works with your body's natural rhythm. The complete timeline for mental wellness. Stress relief begins in 15 minutes. Energy improvements within 20 to 30 minutes. Sleep quality improves from the first night, with deeper rest and waking up feeling naturally refreshed instead of groggy. Why this system works so well? Your temples have thin skin, allowing rapid absorption. Pulse points affect heart rate and stress hormones directly. The aromatherapy component triggers natural sleep hormone production while creating positive associations with relaxation and sleep. Research found this approach increases deep sleep significantly, better than prescription aids, with 0 morning grogginess or dependency issues. You wake up feeling naturally refreshed because you're working with your body instead of against it. Remember, always use organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother for maximum effectiveness. Start with more diluted mixtures if you have sensitive skin, and never apply undiluted vinegar directly to your body. Choose the 2 to 3 applications that target your biggest health concerns. Use consistently for 1 week to see full results. Total weekly cost, under $5. Compare that to hundreds of dollars in prescriptions for the same problems. These 5 natural solutions have helped thousands of people reclaim their health without expensive medications or complicated treatments. The retired doctors I interviewed feel better at 80 than they did at 60, using these simple methods they wish they'd known decades ago. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural health secrets that actually work. Share this with someone who needs healing. See you next time.